In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve past paper MCQs SSPPSC 2013 MCQs, that is set of square matrices of order 3 forms a solution. Set of square matrices of order 3 is closed under multiplication and associative law holds in matrices. Also identity matrices exist, but there exist matrices whose inverse are not possible, for example null matrix. Hence the set of square matrices of order 3 form a monoid, so option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.